David. Is there something you want to say about today?
Something about today. Well, let's just say that I signed off work for the last time.
What does that mean? What do you mean by that?
I am retiring.
Woo!
So, that means for you guys, a lot more videos coming your way soon. So we'll be out and around a whole lot more. And we hope that we can share our joy and experiences with you guys as we move into our next phase of life.
Our new chapter.
Our new chapter. So I guess technically this starts season 3. Tina, what is today?
Today's a very exciting day for David. Today is his work retirement party. Woohoo!
Yeah. Right and wrong. So the car shows shaking hands, and the other one's like, kiss my ass.
Which one are you with? We'll see.
Man, well, hang on, we'll find out.